Hello, I'm Gene Pasquini with ChamberWare. Next, I'd like to show you how to send out a single invoice by email. I'm almost always working at the members screen, so I'll open one here, and then we can click the invoice button. And here's the invoice form. It's got the new added email button here. Allows you to send out the email with just a click. So let's do that now. All we have to do is click that, and here's the email ready to go. ChamberWare put in a special subject line for you, so it's got the invoice number and your chamber name. And then here's the body of the text, and it's a formatted email also. In the body you can of course type in a message if you'd like, something like that. And down here we see the file attachments. I'm over here on the options page, and we can see the file attachment. And if I click on that like so, I can see the PDF version of this invoice. So this is all new, having a PDF invoice, and it's just available to you with a click. So this gets sent along with the email, and of course it's addressed to your member. And we just press send to send it out, and out it goes. If we look over in our outbox, we see it here. You can double click it, and we see the invoice in Outlook. Here's the PDF attachment. Give that a double click. It opens it up like so. So we're ready to send. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, go back over to ChamberWare. And there was a couple other options I can show you here. It's the way you click this button. Similar to the member screen, if you right click the button, it'll open it up and there's no attachment. So if you wanted to send it out without an attachment for some reason, and it gives you the same options as did the member screen, where you can shift click and control click to get additional reps into the email. So if I shift click now I see that I got one email per recipient, and maybe I want to remove Roger and William actually, and I'll just send it out to Dana like so. And I can even use this add button. I can put in somebody else's email, and so forth. And now I'll send it to both of these. If I press send, look over in Outlook, and here they are. Alright, so for the last thing I'm going to show you on this demo today is how to do an email with your auto-dues. So we'll select the auto-dues form here, and this works the same as always. So you go through step 1, step 2, that gives you the report, and then you create the invoices, and then normally you want to print the invoices, or you can email. So you can always print the last step 2 from this button here. What I do is skip this section here, and I go directly to the print email invoices tab after step 1 and 2. So here we see the form, and it works basically the same way as it did before, but it's got a couple of extra options. Let's set our dates to this month, so we're just going to choose these dates here. And then of course if we use this button as it is, we'll be seeing a screen version of the selected invoices, and that pops it up here like this. So we can skim through all the invoices that are created that way. Of course we can select to print it, and then it found 6 invoices would you like to print. And then the new options are down here, email and PDF. If you'd like to just send an email only, you can select this option, and this option here creates only the PDFs without sending them in email. For our demonstration, we're going to just simply select email and PDF. That's the most common one you use. You have your subject here with the merge field as you see it, and it comes out ready to go. So we can just press that. It says, would you like to create email attachment PDFs for 6 invoices? Yes. And then it emails them out. Let's now go over to the outbox, and here they are. And you can look through the emails, and I see this member has a familiar name as Chief Yoder, so we can see that. I'll just double click on the invoice so you can see it. We left our own modified invoice in here, which we put in the logo, so you can do that to your invoices. And in fact we even have a PayPal button down here that is used with our invoice. So out the emails go, and that's all there is to it. Thanks very much for joining us today on this brief introduction to the new emailing features in Visual ChamberWare. We appreciate that, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks. Bye.